Hi, Rashid Kapadia here with a tip from a book on a Monday, another one from the book Good to Great by Jim Collins. In fact, it's been said if you read only one business book in your life, let it be this. It's a masterful book about why some companies are more successful than others. And another reason, he says, I spoke about level 5 leadership in an earlier video. Another reason is what he calls an ability these companies and the people had to confront all the brutal facts and yet never lose faith. I'm going to read a small paragraph here because it sums this up beautifully. We learned that a former prisoner of war had much more to teach us about what it takes to find a path to greatness than most of the books on corporate strategy. Every good to great company embraced what we came to call a Stockdale Paradox. Stockdale was the name of the admiral who gave them this lesson. You must maintain an unwavering faith that you can and that you will prevail in the end, regardless of any difficulties. And at the same time, this is really hard, to have the discipline to confront the most brutal facts of your current reality, whatever they might be. Wow. So what I think he's saying that these companies that were successful were a combination of unyielding optimism and unyielding, hard-headed confronting of reality. Tip from Good to Great: in order to do well with your life, consider embracing the Stockdale Paradox. Ability to maintain unwavering faith that we will prevail and simultaneously confront all the brutal facts of our current reality, whatever they may be. Any of us can do this. So can you. Good luck.